Hey guys, and welcome to a quick and easy power saw tutorial. So we've got three colours: Abaddon Black, Kantor Blue, as well as Blue Green from Vallejo Model Colour. And for our highlights, we're mixing in a bit of Liquitex Heavy Body Acrylic White. Starting off with our base coat of Kantor Blue over a black undercoat. Make sure it's a nice smooth coat to build up the rest of our layers on. Next up, I've loaded the brush up with some blue green as well as some Kantor blue to get a loaded brush technique happening. Didn't work too well, but came back in with some Kantor blue and blended it back out to get some more depth in the shadows. Tried to do the opposite on the other side of the blade with some Kantor blue and then some blue green on the tip of the brush. It worked a little bit better, but still didn't quite pan out exactly how I wanted it to, and ended up adding a bit more blue green into the highlight area of the blade anyway. After that, coming in with some Abaddon Black right to the shadows, putting it right down where I want the shadows to be, and then just clean my brush and spreading the pigment across the blade to get a nice smooth transition. Doing the same on the other side, quick and easy. After that, bringing some of that heavy body acrylic white into the blue green, building up those highlights just right down towards the ends of the blade. Now, I brought in a bit of pale sand here because I didn't think the heavy body acrylic white was quite doing what I wanted it to. So just added that into the blue green to get a really nice bright highlight on the edges of this blade. Doesn't matter how good your blends are when it comes to painting power swords and power weapons, it's the edge highlights that bring it all together in the end. So take your time. It'll start off a little scratchy, but you know, the more you go over the edge highlights, the smoother it'll look, the straighter your lines will be, and hopefully you'll end up with a really nice power sword by the end of it. And here it is, just about all finished up, just catching the last few little edges, making sure I've got those final straight lines across each of those edges. The straighter your lines are, the sharper they look, the sharper the blade looks. Yeah, it's looking really good. Only take you about 20 minutes each side of a blade,